Hi guys, there's one little bit of this solar-powered music box project that I haven't got round to yet. Every time I sit down to do it, something else comes up. And that is to change the comb, as I keep calling it, the bit that actually makes the sound. The pins on the drum flick the teeth on the comb. And at the moment, the one that's in there doesn't sound right to me. That's the comb that came with the powered music box, not the comb that came with that drum. I'm actually not sure which one it is. Yeah, it's one of these two, but I don't remember which one now. So I guess we're going to have to try both of them, or at least try one, and if it doesn't sound right, try the other one. I have the feeling it's this one. Although that one looks a bit odd on the end, as if it's got damaged. Anyway, we'll just have a listen to it as it is with a 1.5 volt battery. It just doesn't sound quite right. It sounds a little bit as though the notes are up a octave, or certainly up a little bit. I'll try this one first, because this one looks okay. So say that one, they just look slightly out of line, as if it might have got crushed in the box when I put it away. Don't know. I'm hoping that there's not too much adjustment required to get it right. So if it needs a skilled musician or something, then that isn't me. All right, that's white glue on that one. Well, we'll find out. If we don't try, we don't know. All right, put that one over there. That sounds right. But I suppose I could just try that one and see what it sounds like. If there's any difference. Right, That's the one I think it should be. Okay. I clearly haven't got that adjusted right. Right in too far. It's got to be that one, hasn't it? Yeah, that's the right one. I wonder if they adjust them by eye like that, or whether they've got a little tool to get the tension right. Right, that's good. Pleased with that now. All we need is some sunshine to run it off the solar panel. I am still waiting for some alternative panels to arrive that should be 1.5 volts to match the 1.5 volt battery in there. Just a little bit more. I put the other two back together, and I realise now that, where are we? There's a line there where the tune starts and finishes, or at least where the drum starts and finishes, and there's no pin sticking out if you go along that line. So if you align the comb with the space there where there's no teeth, you've got a better chance of getting it right. I just put that one straight on without trying to judge the gap. But I think if you put a piece of paper or something along there where it's no teeth, then you should be able to get the alignment right. So I've got them both on there now. I didn't actually use paper, but I think that would have been a good idea to give you the gap. So they're now working, and that one's working. So I'm happy. Just wait for the sunshine. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.